Delhi woke up to a crippling smog shroud this morning. The air quality index has worsened once again. We're going to get you a latest report and also pictures on what the air quality and the smog situation looks like in the capital. So toxic smog has engulfed many parts of Delhi. The air quality index read about 373 to 377 in many areas in the capital, pushing the city back to the very poor or severe category when it comes to the AQI. Anand Vihar area recorded one of the worst AQI readings. Also, Burari has also been hit. The deterioration has been driven by a convergence of various factors. It could be it's stubble burning in Punjab, falling wind speeds that trap pollutants, and also temperature inversions that prevent the dispersion. So many authorities are also going on to say that this is just the beginning of the pollution season. The next few days are likely to see continued air quality deterioration without any urgent weather change. Here's a report from the national capital.
With a dip in temperature, the national capital's air quality index has been worsened sharply on Saturday night. Currently, we are standing at Kartavya Path, and behind me you can see in the visuals as well that this is the visibility right now in the national capital, as the air quality index has reached to 377, which comes under the very poor category. Due to this, the visibility is very low. People are also having irritation in the eyes as well as in the throat. As per the data which is being released by the Central Pollution Control Board, it is being stated that out of the 39 stations, 36 comes under the very poor category, and rest of the 3 are in the poor category, as experts are also believing that a respite is unlikely, as the city has witnessed the most polluted fortnight on Saturday of the entire year, and for that reason it is also being stated as per the data that yesterday the stubble burning cases in the state of Punjab were at 442, which is the highest number of count for this season and of stubble burning.
Time for us to slip into a short commercial.